Hey there, Sharon here with Simply Canning, and I am in my carport today, and I'm getting ready to can some beets in a little bit. The first step to canning beets is to cook the beets so that you can slip the skins off of them before you put them in jars for processing. So I like to do that outside on my Camp Chef stove. It's a hot day, and it just keeps things a little cooler in the kitchen. I have canned on this stove also, and it works well. Today I am not because, and here's a tip, my propane canister is not real full, and I'm not totally sure I would have enough to complete the processing time. And so if you do decide to can outside on one of these things, make sure you have enough propane to keep the canner running for the entire processing time, because if you run out in the middle of it, of course, it's kind of critical. You have to totally start over, and that would be a drag. So today I am going to go ahead and boil these outside. You see my pressure canner here, but I'm actually just cooking some beets in here. Let me pull the lid off so you can see. It is not processing as far as canning. I'm just using it to cook the beets to get them ready for canning. And then another tip, what I did is I have, of course, I grow my own beets, and so they're all different sizes. It's not like you buy them at the store where they're very uniform. So I put some of my bigger beets in here to cook, and then I have the smaller beets in here to cook. And that way, the smaller beets, of course, are going to be done sooner, and I can turn that off and get those peeled while the bigger ones are still cooking a little bit longer. So I hope that was helpful. This is my Camp Chef stove, and I will put a link to that in the comments here as soon as I'm done, and then I'll also put a link to canning beets in the comments here as soon as I'm done. I hope that was helpful. It's a busy day here at Simply Canning, and we will talk to you later.